Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Look. Today, in-depth look at the 2025 Volkswagen Atlas, a true standout in the world of midsize SUVs. Today, we're going to explore what makes this vehicle a top choice for families and individuals alike who crave both comfort and performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Atlas boasts a sleek, modern design that immediately catches the eye. The sharp lines and bold contours give the Atlas a commanding presence on the road. Volkswagen has introduced new LED headlights that not only look stunning but also improve visibility, making night driving safer and more enjoyable. The signature Volkswagen grille is now more pronounced, with chrome accents that add a touch of luxury to its rugged look. The Atlas is available in several striking colors, but the new metallic red finish is particularly eye-catching, ensuring you stand out wherever you go. Under the hood, the 2025 Atlas offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers impressive performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. For those who need more power, there's also an available 3.6-liter V6 engine that offers robust acceleration and the capability to tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it perfect for family road trips or weekend adventures. Inside, the Atlas shines with its spacious and well-thought-out interior. The cabin is designed with premium materials and every detail feels meticulously crafted. The seats are comfortable, with plenty of legroom in both the front and rear, making long drives a pleasure rather than a chore. The third row is surprisingly roomy, accommodating adults with ease, a rare feature in this class of SUV. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the 2025 Atlas's updated infotainment system. The large touchscreen display is easy to navigate with sharp graphics and quick response times. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that you stay connected no matter what device you use. Additionally, the Atlas offers an optional premium sound system that delivers crisp, clear audio, perfect for music lovers. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Atlas, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, all designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas is a versatile and capable SUV that offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, making it an excellent choice for today's drivers. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.